Knowing exactly what you'll bring home is powerful, and that's where tools like a paycheck calculator and payroll calculator come in handy. In the United States, your paycheck isn't just your salary divided by the number of pay periods. Several factors impact your final take-home pay. The most common parameters involved include federal income tax, Social Security tax, Medicare tax, state taxes if applicable, pre-tax deductions like 401k contributions, and post-tax deductions like wage garnishments. A paycheck calculator or payroll calculator helps you understand all these moving pieces instantly. If you're wondering, how do I calculate my paycheck easily? Here's the simplest trick. Know your gross pay first, which is hours worked times hourly rate or salary divided by number of pay periods. Subtract estimated federal and state taxes using percentage brackets available online. Deduct Social Security, which is 6.2% of gross, and Medicare, which is 1.45% of gross. Account for any benefits like insurance or retirement plans. Using a paycheck estimator makes this process super simple. Free online tools like ADP Paycheck Calculator or SmartAsset Paycheck Estimator allow you to input your salary, state, and deductions to get an accurate figure within seconds. Hey, here's another insider trick for you. If you want to estimate your take-home pay quickly without any tools, just remember that, like, 30% of your gross pay usually goes to taxes and deductions. Of course, this can vary a bit depending on your state and your benefits package, but it's a handy rule of thumb. So, just multiply your gross pay by 0.7 and you'll get a rough estimate of what your paycheck will look like. If you need official documentation, say for loans or rentals, you should use a paycheck stub calculator. It can legally recreate pay stubs and even include detailed breakdowns of your earnings, taxes, and net pay. Tools like Paystub Creator and FormPros are, pretty trusted options out there. Whenever you calculate your paycheck manually or with any tool, make sure to double-check employer contributions too. Some companies match your 401k contributions or cover parts of your insurance premiums, and these actually add to your total compensation, even if they're not directly visible on your paycheck. Mastering paycheck calculations really empowers you to budget smarter, plan for taxes, and just never be caught off guard. Stay in control of your money. Understand your paycheck today.